key scientific notation. As chemistry is the study of atoms and molecules which have extremely low masses and are present in extremely large numbers. As a chemist, as deal to with number as large as 602, 20 and so many zeros are shown in this digit. For the molecule of 2 gram of hydrogen gas or as same as 0. So many zero and then write 166 gram of a hydrogen atom. Similarly, other constants such as Planck constants, such as speed of light, charge on particle, etc. involve number of the above magnitude. It may look funny for the moment to write or count number involving so many zeros, but offer a really challenge to do simple mathematical operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. With such number, you can write any two number of the above type and try any one the operation you like to accept as a challenge, and then you will appreciate the difficulty in handling such number. This problem is solved using scientific notation for such number, that is exponential notation, in which any number can be represented in the form of n into 10 to the power n, where n is an exponent having possible or negative value. N is a number called digit terms which between 1.00 and 9.999. Thus we can write 232.508 as 2.32508 into 10 to the power 2 in a scientific notation. Note that while writing it, the decimal had moved to a left by 2 places, and same is the exponent 2 of 10 in the scientific notation. Similarly, 0.00016 can be written as 1.6 into 10 to the power negative 4. Here the decimal has been moved for 4 place right, and negative 4 is the exponential in the scientific notation. While performing mathematical operation on number expressed in a scientific notation, follow point be kept in mind. Multiplication and division. These two operations follow the same rule, which are their exponential number. The digits are given that 5.6 into 10 to the power 5 multiplied 6.9 into 10 to the power 8 equals to in a multiplication we add when the same number, suppose 10 is the same number and exponential power is 5 and 8. 5 and 8 will be added in a multiplication, and a divisions the exponential power will be get subtracted. Then addition and subtraction. For these two operations, first the number are written in a such way that they have the same exponents. After that, the coefficient digit terms are added or subtracted as the case may be. Thus, for adding 6.67 into 10 to the power 4 and 8.95 into 10 to the power 3, exponent is made same for both the number. Thus, we get 6.65 into 10 to the power 4 plus 0.895 into 10 to the power 4. Then these numbers can be added as follows: 6.6 into 10 6.6 plus 0.895 into 10 to the power 4, and the answer will be 7.54 into 10 to the power 4. Similarly, the subtract of these two numbers can be done showing below. These numbers are similarly subtracted through the process of addition. Then our next point is significant figure. Every experimental measurement has some amount of uncertainty associated with it because it limited of measuring instrument and the skill of the person making the measurement. For example, mass of an object is obtained using platform balance and it comes out to be 9.4 gram. On measuring the mass of this object on an analytical balance, the mass obtained 9.4213 gram. The mass obtained by an analytical balance is slightly higher than the mass obtained by using platform balance. Therefore, digit 4 placed after decimal in the measurement by platform balance is uncertain. The uncertainty in the experiment of the calculated value is indicated by the mentioning the number of significant figures. The significant figure are meaningful digits which are known with certain plus 1, which is estimate or uncertain. The uncertainty is indicated by writing the certain digit, the last uncertain digit. Thus, if we write a result 11.2 ml, we can say the 11 is certain and 2 is uncertain, and the uncertainty would be plus minus 1 in the last digit unless otherwise stated. As uncertainty plus minus 1 in the last digit is also always understood. There are certain rules for determining the number of significant figure. These are stated below. All non-zero digits are significant. For example, 285 centimeter, there are 3 significant figures, and in 0.25 ml there are 2 significant figures. The second point is 0 preceding to first non-zero digit are not significant. Such 0 indicate the position decimal point. Thus, 0.3 has 1 significant figure and 0.0052 has 2 significant figure. 0 between non-zero digits are significant. Thus, 2.005 has 4 significant figure. That means trapped 0 is a significant figure. 0 at the end or right of the number are significant provided they are on the right side the decimal point. For example, 0.200 gram has 3 significant figure, but if otherwise the terminal 0 are not significant. If there is no decimal point, for example 100 has only 1 significant figure, but 100 point has 3 significant figure, and 100.0 has 4 significant figure. Such numbers are better represented in scientific notation. We can express the number 100 as 1 into 10 to the power 2 for 1 significant figure, 1.0 into 10 to the power 2 for 2 significant figure, 1.00 into 10 to the power 2 for 3 significant figure. Last rule: count the number of the object. For example, 2 balls of or 20 eggs have finite significant figure. As these exact number and can be written indefinite number of 0 after place a decimal, that is 2 equals to 2.0000 or 20.000 and so on. In a number written in a scientific notation, all digits is significant. That is 4.0 into 10 to the power 2 has a 3 significant figure, and 8.256 into 10 to the power negative 3 has a 4 significant figure. However, one would always like the result to be precise and accurate. Precise and accuracy are often referred to while we talk about measurement. Precise refer to the closeness of the various measurement of the same quantity. However, accuracy is the arrangement of a particular value to the true value of the result. For example, if the true value of the result is 2.00 gram and student A take two measurements and report like the results 1.95 gram and 1.93 gram, these values are precise and they are close to each other but are not accurate. Another student B repeat the experiment and obtain 1.94 and 2.05 as the result of two measurements. These observations are neither precise nor accurate. When the third student is repeated this measurement and report 2.01 gram and 1.99 gram as a result, these values are both precise and accurate. This can be more clearly understood from the data in a given 1.4. Observe the 1.4 table. Then our next topic is addition and subtraction of significant figure. The result cannot have more digit or right of the decimal point than either original number. 12.11, 18.0, 1.012, 31.1222. Here 18.0 has only one digit after the decimal point and the result should be reported only up to one digit after the decimal, which is 31.1. Multiplication and division of significant number. In this operation, the result must be reported no more significant figure as in the measurement will be few significant figure. 2.5 into 1.25 equals to 3.125. Since 25 has two significant figure, the result should not have more than two significant figure. While limiting the result of the required number of significant figure as done in the above mathematical operation, one has to keep in mind the following points for the round off the numbers. First point is, if the rightmost digit to the removed is more than 5, the preceding number is increased by 1. For example, 1.386. If we have to remove 6, we have to round it to 1.39. If the rightmost digit to be removed is less than 5, the preceding number is not changed. For example, 4.334 is to be removed, then the result round up to 4.33. If the rightmost digit to be removed is 5, then the preceding number is not changed. If it is even number but it increased by 1 if it is an odd number. For example, 6.35 is to be round off by removing 5. We have to increase 3 to 4, giving 6.4 as the result. However, if 6.25 is to be round off to 6.2, then next point is dimension analysis. Observe this page because I forget to turn this page with our textbook. Sorry for this mistake. Observe this page. 1 minute. Okay, then we start dimension analysis. Often while calculating, there is a need to convert units from one system to the other. The method used to accomplish this is called factor label method or unit factor method or dimension analysis. This is illustration below. Example: a piece of metal is 3 inch long. What is its length in centimeter? Solution were given. We know that 1 in 2.54 centimeter. From this equivalence, we can write 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeter equals to 1 equals to 2.54 centimeter by 1 inch. Thus 1 inch by 2.54 centimeter equals to 1 and 2.54 centimeter by 1 inch also equal 1. Both of these are called unit factor. If some other is multiplied by this, unit factor is will not be affected. Otherwise, say the 3 is given above multiplied by unit factor. Then 3 inch equals to 3 inch multiplied by 2.54 in by 1 inch equals to 3 into. Then we basic operation will be applied and give out the answer. Now the unit factor by which multiplication is to be done is that unit factor 2.54 centimeter by 1 inch in the above case, which given the desired unit, that is the numerator, should also be noted in the above example. That unit can be handled just like other numerical part. It can be cancelled, divide, multiply, square, etc. Let us study one more example. A jug contains 2 liters of milk. Calculate the volume of the milk in meter cube. Solution: 1 liter equals to 1000 meter cube. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, which gives as 1 meter by 100 centimeter equals to 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. To get meter cube from the above unit, the first unit factor is taken and it is cubed. 1 meter by 100 centimeter whole cube equals to 1 meter cube 10 to the power 6 by 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube equals to 1 cube equals to 1. Now 2 liter equals to 2 into 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube. The above is multiplied by unit factor. Then we get applied basic operation in this calculation. In the next example, how many seconds are in 2 days? Observe this calculation. Here solution is here. We know 1 day equals to 24 hours. 1 day by 24 hours equals to 24 hours by 1 day. Then 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour by 60 minutes equals to 60 minutes by 1 hour. So for the converting 2 days to seconds, 2 days equals to seconds, the unit factor can be multiplied in the series in the step only as follows: 2 day into 24 hours by 1 day into 60 minutes by 1 hour into 60 seconds by 1 minute. There apply basic operation and you will get answer. Observe this. I will repeat this because I am not zoom out this. How many seconds are there in 2 days? Here we know first day equals to 24 hours. First day by 24 hours equals to 1 equals to 24 hours by 1 day. Then 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour by 60 minutes equals to 1 by 60 minutes. 60 minutes by 1 hour. So for converting 2 days to seconds, that is 2 days dash dash equals to dash dash seconds. The unit factor can be multiplied in a series in one step only as follows. Today is multiply 24 hours by 1 day, multiply 60 minutes by 1 hour, multiply 60 seconds by 1 minute. Then basic operation can be applied and you will get answer. Then we start laws of chemical combination in a next video.